sleep apnea because the banks disrupt your breathing patterns. I have a microphone in my diaphragm because I project. Because I understand theater is for the fucking people, you lousy sons of fucks. My brother is a fucking sellout. He should be screening this movie at the ArcLight where people can see it. Eddie Pepitone is a fraud. It's all about me. I don't need a fucking speaker to mic. It's always the fucks on the side of the ring.
Are people fighting?
Todd Glass, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah!
Folks, please give him a nice warm round of applause. Hey, how about a hand for James Adobe? Ain't that? All right, so folks, this is what we've all waited for.
Joe, we're here for a good cause.
We're here for a good cause. This guy, I'll tell you what, man, it's high candy for me. He announced yesterday that he's going to only do comedy for another 25 years. And I'm glad he's here to start off the tour. Eddie Pepitone!
Thank you, everybody. Why the fuck are people crying when the Endeavor gets retired? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? The Endeavor is flying around Los Angeles and everybody's fucking bawling. Let's fucking get a hold of our emotions.
Great. Tell me if this works for you. What if the bit was that this is 20 years later, and this is seriously, Eddie's crazy at this point. But people gather around him in like New York City, and he just rants. But this is 20 years later.
Okay, I'll do that now.
And the word is that you're not all there.
So what is wrong? What is wrong with begging on the streets? What is wrong with begging on the streets? Nothing. Okay. Yes, it does suck sleeping on things that people piss on, but I gotta tell you, these motherfuckers up in these buildings, they got nothing on me. Okay, all right, I haven't had anything for 20 years because I had a bypass thing and I'm kept alive with the small blue tube liquid. But it doesn't matter. I want to thank everybody for coming out to this street corner.
Hey, do the right thing, people. Do the right thing. Don't be that person that waits for the other person. Do the right thing.
Thank you.
Do the right thing, people. Seriously. Do the right thing, everybody. Come on. Let's be nice here. All right.
This all goes to SAG-AFTRA, which is it's one union now. Finally. I just want to thank everybody for coming. And boo! Hey, I'm on edge, pal. I've been on the streets 25 years.
Such an even number.
All right, everybody.
You know what? Why don't I just take this money and I'll use it for like
Yeah, have some
Good money.